Hello watcher and subscribers. Today's video is based on very interesting topic, and the topic is when we need to send larger size video like more than 100 MB, or you can say if you want to send video of 500 MB or even 1 GB 2 GB like that, then what happen, we cannot share that video through WhatsApp. Means we cannot send this video through WhatsApp. And suppose the person that is next to you, means he is not nearer to you, and he or she wants that video, and they don't want that video through link, means they want the actual video. Then what you have to do? That is the question mark. Then what happen, for sending the video we search many online tool or options, got it, and a lot of time is wasted. But here I will show you how we can send larger size video without taking the help of any software, without installing any tool. Okay, and you can send it easily. So without wasting your time, I will show you directly how you can send the video easily without using any software. So for that, first you must be having a stable internet connection. Okay, and we will not install any software, but for uploading and downloading a larger file you must have the stable internet connection. So here you have to log in through your Gmail account. I have already logged in because my channel is IT Skill with Suraj Datir, so I already log in with the same ID. And you have to open your mail. Okay, so as I told you, you must be having the internet connection. So first I connect my internet here. So here now I connected to internet and my Gmail is opening now. And once your account is open, got it, then if you go into the compose option, then here if you use that attachment option, your file will not send. You have to take the help of this option, that is drive, and in that drive only you have to upload your file. So what you are supposed to do exactly here, you have to click here, that is Google Apps, and straight away you have to go in drive option, that is this triangle option. Okay, so now we are in the drive, that's it. And here in your drive you have to upload your video that you want to send. So dear student, after uploadation you have to check here recent option. I have already uploaded some videos and I show you how you can upload the video. So here you click on the new option and there is a file upload option. In that file upload option you have to select the video that you want to upload. Suppose I want to upload this video, flag final. Once you click on this video, as you know, I have already uploaded this file, so it is showing this message, replace existing file or keep both the file. Okay, so if you have already file, it will show this message. So here I am taking the new file. Suppose my file is this one. So you see it is showing this message here, and the timing is 14 minutes, now 10 minutes left. Once it is done, it will show the right message here. Now it is cross and this process is going on, and once this process is over, it will show the right message and that video will be uploaded. Now I have already uploaded some video, so I am not going to upload this, so I am just showing practically how it is going on. Now I just close this and cancel upload. And once the video is uploaded, you can check into the recent option, you will get the video. So suppose your video name is suppose flagfinal.mp4, this is your video. So now I show you how you can send by Gmail. So it's very simple. go to your account, click on compose option, and here you select this drive option, and before that you have to write here email IDs. So I'm taking one email ID here. You write a subject that you already know, it's not a new. Then here you select a drive option, and in that drive, as usual, you go to recent option, whatever recent files are there, otherwise you search in my drive, and suppose this file you want to send. So I'm just clicking this file, and then straight away click on send option. So I'm sending this file to that person, click on send, and now that file has been sent successfully. So go into the view message, you see that video is now successfully uploaded, and that person will check in the mail ID, and that person will download it from here. Simply he will click on the download option, and here they will be able to download the video. So in this way you can send the video through Google Drive. So this Google Drive is very important here. You can easily upload video which can be 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB like that, and you can send it easily. So here the main process is uploadation. Okay, and in that process your net connectivity should be good so that you can easily upload the 1 GB video also. So I hope, dear student, you understood here, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.